back to my channel. It's your girl BrittanyBearMakeup here. For those of you guys who are new, then welcome. Today's video is gonna be so much fun because I'm gonna teach all of you guys how to get this beautiful, sexy emerald green look just in time for your holiday parties to make sure that you are poppin'. All you have to do is turn on your post notifications so you guys can be a part of my Bear family. Like, share, comment, and as always, guys, hit that subscribe button so you can be subscribed to my channel. And keep on watching as I show all of you guys how to get this look.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright, Bear fam, so for today's video, we're going to be doing a very sexy, smoldery, smoky emerald green eyeshadow look for the holidays because Christmas is here, the parties are arriving, it is time for us to get glam, show everyone what we look like at our best. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and walk you guys step by step through this tutorial. Now, the first thing I like to do is I love to prime my eyelids to really get the best pigmentation of my eyeshadow. So today, I will be taking my MAC paint pot. This one is called Soft Ochre, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite concealer brushes. This one is from MORPHE, an M226 brush if you guys are looking for a really good brush, affordable and poppin'. So we're going to take this bad boy and we're going to go ahead and prime our eyelids and make sure that we give it a nice base and get them ready for the eyeshadow. Then we're going to repeat the same step onto the other side. If you guys are beginning, if you're just getting into makeup, then I promise you, if you guys follow each step, you are going to look so amazing at the end of this video. So don't get discouraged. Just listen up, take some notes, follow along. So for today, I'm going to be taking two brand new eyeshadow palettes that just launched. The first one is a BH Cosmetic palette from my girl, Sylvia. So she came out with this gorgeous, stunning palette. It's very, very beautiful, chic, has so many different colors as well as highlighter shades, which is so fun because I love a palette that comes with multiple things. So I thought for today's look, we would go for something really sexy and kind of dramatic. I haven't been too dramatic lately, so I thought, let's go back, let's take a moment, let's be extra today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the crease color from this palette. I'm gonna be dipping my brush. This is the Holiday Collection from MORPHE, and I'm gonna go into the shade Underrated and Bare. So I'm gonna actually mix the two shades together, and I'm going to be working this bad boy into the crease of my eyelid. So I like to start at the end of the eye and just slowly kind of build the drama into the crease very gently. Now, I love how I applied a little bit of product and you can see that it's very, very pigmented, which is already making me really excited about this palette. So just keep on blending, guys. Take a couple minutes to really focus blending out that product and making sure that you get exactly what you want. We're gonna go back into this palette into another shade that I am loving. This one is called Hazel. So Hazel is a beautiful forest green shade. For this shadow, I'm going to be taking a MORPHE M456 brush. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm going to set this eyeshadow onto my eyelid. So I'm packing it on. I cannot remember the last time I gave myself a green, like an emerald green smoky eye. I don't know if I've ever done that. So I'm really excited for today because the holidays are here and it's bringing out the best in my makeup game. All right, guys, so now that I've gone ahead and spent a couple minutes packing that eyeshadow onto the eye, I'm gonna go into a very different palette. This one is from Laura Lee Los Angeles. So I got this one and it's super cute. It's one of her holiday little collections and I thought, I gotta use it. I gotta see if it's good too. So I actually fell in love with this color called Wrapped Up. It's super beautiful. It's like a rich emerald shade. I'm actually going to take this color right here and I'm gonna pack this onto my eyelid. Right on top of that other shadow, we're gonna pack this color on. Super pigmented and such a beautiful, beautiful shade, especially for the holidays. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pencil and I'm gonna just draw a very thin, but doesn't matter if it's perfectly shaped, line underneath. I said thin and now I look like I'm about to steal your boyfriend. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into that Sylvia palette real quick. We're gonna mix that emerald green and that Unapologetic, and we're gonna smoke out the under eye. So we're gonna grab those two colors, we're gonna go under and we're gonna smoke out the eyeshadow underneath the eye. So I'm going back and forth and I grab those colors to really just kind of bring the whole look together. Now don't be scared if it gets a little low. All you have to do is clean it up with a makeup wipe and you're all good to go. All right, Bear fam, so once you went ahead and you smoked out any of the under eye eyeshadow, you went ahead and you cleaned it all up, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera for a second. I'm going to finish off the other eye, and when I come back, we're gonna get to the fun part, which is foundation, concealer, highlight, contour, gonna make a song and patent it, and it's gonna go viral. girl. See you guys in a second. All right, Bear fam, so we're back in action, and now it is time to get started on my favorite part of my makeup, which is my face. This face needs help. There's so much drama going on with this eyeshadow that we cannot leave it looking this pathetic. So I'm going to be taking my Hangover primer from Too Faced Cosmetics, and I'm going to begin by priming my face with this and just giving it a little hydration, a little bit of an even flow to the skin. Oh, and it smells like heaven, literally. For today's face makeup, I'm going to be using my Too Faced, this is my Peach Perfect foundation. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to begin applying this to my skin. By the way, guys, I posted an amazing video last week. It is with my mom and dad, so make sure you guys go check it out. You are definitely going to crack up if you watch it. It was so much fun to do, and honestly, I had the best time surprising my parents. They had no idea what we were filming until I announced it, so it's a lot of fun. You guys get to meet my parents, see where I get my craziness from. You guys better go check it out. Go support your girl, because it is poppin'. Alright guys, so after I went ahead and I spent a couple minutes just kind of blending out my foundation into my skin, very simple step, already looking a lot more lively. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape, and it is called Light Medium. I'm going to be applying this bad boy under my eyes because God knows your girl hasn't slept in a couple days. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step onto the other side. I love concealer, so I apply a lot. Don't be alarmed, guys. Apply to your likings. I know there's a lot of you guys out there who probably don't even need concealer, but I unfortunately do. So I'm applying it to my T-zone area as well as underneath my eyes. I like to apply it on my chin as well. And then I love to blend it out. So taking that same beauty blender, I'm gonna go in and carefully blend it all out. All right, so I'm just being very careful and blending this bad boy out. So now that I've gone ahead and I've concealed, I applied my foundation, we are going to use our setting powder. And today I'm going to be using the Patrickstarrr setting powder because I love it, it works well, does the trick, and it's like the perfect shade. So taking this, I'm going to begin packing it underneath my eyes, being very careful with the eyeshadow. We don't want to ruin what we just spent like 10 years creating. I like to bring it in on the sides of my nose as well as the bridge on the chin as well. Basically, we're gonna use this setting powder and we're gonna apply it all over our face. But these are the main areas I like to set right away because these are the areas that tend to crease a little bit more or that we have more expression lines on. So these are the ones you wanna work fast and you really want to set quickly. As well as my T-zone. I'm gonna sculpt out the sides of my cheekbones. All right, so we're gonna let this sit on our face while we go ahead and bronze ourselves up. I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. bronzer for this. Now, this is a great bronzing, affordable palette. I'm gonna be taking a Sigma F40 brush, and I'm gonna be going into this matte bronzing shade, and I'm gonna begin sculpting out my cheekbones. This is good, this is a good bronzer. So affordable, and honestly, it works so freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just suck my cheeks a little bit, and use this brush to kind of blend out those cheekbones. Then I'm gonna go ahead on the rim of my forehead and just kind of drag this tan I got going on. So now that I have bronzed myself up and I'm very happy with how things look, I am gonna go off camera to contour my nose using my 360 nose contouring brushes as well as do my eyebrows. And when I come back, we are going to do the lips. We're gonna finish off this look. We're going to zhuzh ourselves up a little bit. We're gonna stunt on some ho-ho-hos, okay? So I will see you guys in a second. So for today, I'm gonna be taking my Morphe lip liner, not in Sweetie, in actually Toastie. So let's go ahead and start by outlining our lips. And then I'm gonna kind of fill them in a little bit. All right guys, so now that I went ahead and applied that lip liner, I'm gonna skip back to my lashes before they get all dry, and I'm gonna pop these bad boys onto my lash line. Loving it. Then I'm gonna do the other side as well. All right guys, so I'm gonna be taking my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna use this to do the bottom lashes, as well as make sure that the top lashes and my rear lashes are nice and stuck together. So to finish off this look, I'm gonna be taking my Patrickstarrr lipstick. This is called Peachy Peter, and I'm gonna apply this to the center of my lips. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna rub this bad boy in and you're gonna blend, honey, because these lips need blending. Obsessed. All right guys, so the final step for this look is going to be a little bit of highlighter, and for today I'm going to be taking the Balm Cosmetics once again because they are the bomb when it comes to highlighter, and I am going to apply this Can we just talk about how gorgeous that is? I'm also gonna be applying it to my forehead just to give it a little bit more of that pizzazz. On the other side, it just like melts into your skin and it makes you look like an angel. Alright guys, so here is the final beautiful emerald green smoky eye. I hope all of you guys liked today's tutorial. I think this is perfect for holiday season coming up, whether it's New Year's, whether it's Christmas. Guys, spruce it up a little bit. Show everyone around you that you are hot and poppin'. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I have so many giveaways. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because that's where I announce all the winners on my Insta story, so stay tuned for those. Also guys, I want to give a huge post notification shout out to my girl, Rhonda Yang. Rhonda Yang, I see you. Girl, you've been here since day one. Thank you so much for being so amazing. I love you. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is turn on your post notifications and comment when done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and as always guys, you already know, hit that subscribe button, become part of the Bear family, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys.